I represent a company called Enrich Hair and Skin Solutions, and we realized, as on date, we run about 50 salons in the cities of Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Pune, and Bangalore. And I think we realized about 3 years ago that technology was something that we needed to embrace, and we needed to embrace wholeheartedly. I just want to share with you a few things that we have done, or we should have done, or we are doing. Okay, just hoping that that would help some of you all sitting in the audience. One of the first reasons why we did look at technology was because we realized that you don't embrace technology because you can afford to. You embrace technology because today, in the world that we live in, you cannot afford not to. The entire paradigm of engaging with customers, and in our case, engaging with students, employees, customers, has changed so much, and technology, I believe, is actually creating connections, creating time, creating opportunities for us at every moment. A couple of years ago, we realized that services are getting, in the beauty area, services are getting a little complex, right? All of us know that we need protein for nourishment, but now we need a protein mask. You need a collagen mask. Technical aspects of services are becoming important. Now, if we want customers to choose these services, we need to make sure that they have all the possible information for them. And we heard other speakers also saying to us earlier that actually the people who are trained to deliver these services are not at all times equally articulate or proficient in explaining to the customer what that service is all about. And that's a great opportunity that you will lose to sell to that customer. So what we did was, we shot 1-minute videos of all such services that we thought customers would love to know more about. And it's a simple 1-minuter which starts with a before, ends with an after, and takes the customer through simple steps of what is going to happen in that service, which are the products that are going to be used in what order. We put all of those videos onto an iPad. We put an iPad in every salon, and while customers are waiting, they get a chance to have a look at those. So in 5 minutes, somebody can look at 5 services, and they might choose to do one of them, or find out more information, or maybe not do any of them at this time, but at least you have given them one opportunity to get more information on your services. We realized that we were losing momentum. So we pulled out a list of people who came in 3 months ago, but we haven't seen them since. And then we called up each one of them, and we said, we're missing you, we haven't seen you around, here is this month's offer, and you know what? Since we like to see you more often, here's an extra offer for you. So there are various things that we are learning along the way, and what we are realizing is the more we do it, the more it becomes simpler for us. So that's a bit of a perspective from users of some of the things that our friends here were talking